Minister wa githomo George Magoha augite ndari na undu wa kuhithirira akiregana na ripoti ya uhuthiri mũru wa kigiina ministry-ini ya githomo. Akiaria thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Limuru, Magoha augite ndari na thina o wothe na muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari Nancy Gathungu kuona ni arikitie gucokia ciuria ciothe iria renda gwacokie.
Auditor General is very well in her right to ask the questions. We answered them both to her and into Parliament. I would want to take full responsibility for the ministry when I was there, and everybody will see that I have been all over the place trying to ensure that we deal with human beings rather than.
Kuringana na ripoti ya Gathungu, maafitha ake matiaheirwo mweke wa guthurima mutaratara wa thirikari wa kwandikithia arutwo othe wa NEMIS. Ripoti no oho ikionania ati arutani amwe matiacokirie ripoti cia kuonania ni mamukirire mbeca iria igayagirwo mathukuru. Riri kuri na nganja ikonie account imwe cia bengi iria ciaheanitwo ni mathukuru mamwe.
His Excellency the President has put every school on GIS, and we have actually the actual numbers of children, but that is not to say that no crook can enter into a system and interfere with it.
Maya magithiaga na mbere gwataniro ya arutani guku bururi-ini NAT riu irenda mishara ya arutani kuongererwo na gicunji kia 60 harĩ igana. Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa gwataniro eno Collins Oyu, ngirimiti ya gwataniro eno na kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TSC ya mwaka wa 2021-2025 ndiari na nyongerera o yothe ya mishara, akiuga ndereti eno no nginya icokio metha-ini.
The CBA 2021-2025 be reviewed to earn teachers money. Teachers won't accept any other thing apart from money. Teachers want money and not stories.
Oyu augite giikaro na kamiti ya TSC kiambiriria-ini kia mweri uyu kiaririirie mogaruruku ma kuguna arutani bururi-ini ari hamwe na kwambatiria arutani ngathi, kwagirithia mirutire yao ya wira na kumaura murigo wa garama ya kugacirithia mathomo rungu rwa tabarira ya TPD kuria o murutani arihaga ciringi 6,000.
The union in its intervention canvassed the same issue with the National Assembly so that 4.5 billion be appropriated to purchase the modules.
Hadini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Waduro.